Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set a custom range of your random array elements. Here I created our array with size 15. Here I set two variables. The first variable equals to -5, the second is 14, is the end and start of our custom range. Let's start with our formula we use to set our random values. Okay, it's not a it's not a end formula, but it's a current stage. I'm gonna explain you. We're gonna start with this part. Okay, the main idea is to get some reminders from division by dividing our random value, random number, using this rand function by some other value we set right here. Let imagine that we need to have b minus a value. It will equal to 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is going to be 19. So we have these reminders from division that starts from 0 till 18. As you understand, we can get maximum reminder from division by dividing by 19 is 18. Not more, but it can be less by itself. Okay, now I'm gonna explain you why we cannot get reminder from division that equals to our divider or more than our divider. If you understand this, you can follow to next part of my video, but if you know, you can watch this part. It's nothing to shy, we all have some misunderstanding, so let's go on. Let's imagine that our reminder from division equals to our divider. So we can say that our dividing, for example, some integer value n by 21, we have a reminder from division that equals to 21. So we have some integer part c and mixed fraction 21 divided by 21 by itself, because our reminder from division is 21 and our divider is 21. But we can tell that it equals to c integer part plus 1 because this fraction equals to 1. So this situation is senseless because reminder from division equals to 0, not 21. I believe you understand this, because if we have this reminder, we only have 1, because maybe you understand this. Okay, it's obvious things, but I think someone cannot understand this, and so if you need this, let's go. Okay. Now let's consider a situation when our reminder from division is larger than our divider. So we divide some random integer n by 21 and we have a reminder from division that more than 21 than our divider. I understand that it's impossible, but let's consider the situation to understand why is it impossible. Maybe more correctly to say why is it senseless. So we have integer part c and incorrect fraction 43. Let's imagine that our reminder from division is b and it equals to 43, for example. Okay, we have c as an integer part and the fraction part is an incorrect fraction and it equals 43 divided by 21. So, but we can say that it's equals to c plus 2 integer part and fraction part equals to 1 divided by 21. And we can rewrite this like c plus 2 is an integer part and as a fraction part we have 1 divided by 21. So in fact our reminder from division equals to 1 but not to 21. We can rewrite this and after our writing we have this result. So we can say that our reminder from division is 1 but not 43. To sum these words, I can say that all the way our reminder from division cannot be more or equal to our divider. I believe you understood this. If no, you can write in comments after watching this video, and I will explain you this more clearly. But now we are going to see how does the next formula components work. Okay, let's imagine that we have a reminder from division. After dividing our random value by 19, I will remind you that we got here 19, 14, minus 5, 19, okay. We divided some random value by 19, so we got this reminders and division, and let's imagine that we got 0 at start. If we got 0, we need to get our minus 5 value. So for this, we need to plus a. A is a minimum of our possible array element. So we add this, and this way we got our minus 5 after getting a reminder from division as it equals to 0. Okay, but now we also need to get our maximum value. So for this, we can calculate this again. We have 19. Let's imagine that our reminder from division equals 18. But if we minus 5 from 18, we get 13, but not 14. So to get our maximum value, we need to add to our reminder from division 1. So now our maximum reminder from division is 19. Why it's so? Because we got 19 here. 19 plus 1 is gonna be 20, but and 20 has reminder from division starts from 0 till 19. So now we got, for example, 19. It's our maximum value. We plus in minus 5 to 19, and we got 14. So this way we got our maximum and minimum values. Of course, I believe you understand that if, for example, get 10, 10 reminder from division, of course, and 10 minus 5 is gonna be 5. It's our sum of values that we have in this diapason. So now guys, let's check how does our program works. Let's compile our project. Unfortunately now we have no here maximum value. Let me compile again. We need need output. So you understand that it's random value, so we can not at the first time get our maximum and minimum, but here we have this. These values means only that we have this diapason. We cannot exactly say that we will have these values. I believe you understand this. Okay, we have this output. As you can see, 14 is maximum value, minus 5 is a minimum value. Nothing more and nothing less. Thank you for watching. I believe you understood everything. If you didn't, you can write in comments and I will explain you again. With pleasure. Thank you for watching.